I'm going to make a short video about how to use the map. As you can see, there's a pop-up that tells you about how to use the markers. So you see the map, you see it's preloaded with 7,300 projects, which come from the 4 databases. You can click on a database, filters out those projects. You can zoom in on a project, tells you the information relating to the project, including the credit retirement. You can go ahead and filter by project type while you're selected. So you can go say, like, I want to only look at forest carbon projects. Now it's showing just those. All of these filters on the right apply to this table as well. You can sort any of the categories. So say we want to sort it by project ID. Say we want to sort it by estimated annual emission reductions. Again, this is only right now showing for these. Yeah, I just wanted to make a short video. Again, you can filter by any of these categories. They all work together. So if I filter by country, for example, say we want to look at only Vera projects, then we can filter and look, for example, okay, only Vera projects in Argentina. Now it's only showing me Argentina projects, etc.